Hey everybody, I've got another FabFitFun Fall box. Well, it's a free box. When I signed up for my annual, they sent me a free box. And we're going to find out what they sent. So, welcome to my channel. This is Miss Jackie Russell, and we're going to get right into this. But I do want to tell you, in August, last month, August 4th, if you signed up before then, you could get the old FabFitFun prices, which was an annual, for $219, and I did that. Well, they are also advertising a free box if you signed up for an annual, so I got both deals. And I'm very happy, and I'm going to check this box out and see what I got. I don't know if I'm going to know the picks, like if it's first pick, second pick, and it may not even be gifts or products from the fall. It may just be something else. I don't know. But we're going to find out what they sent. Now, I do have an edit box coming because I forgot this one was coming. So I'm just going to have all kinds of FabFitFun. But they did send it in the fall box with all the pretty decorations on the inside. And there's several items in here. And I'm pretty sure the new was either the Magnesium Ease, and that's in lavender, was either last quarter or this quarter or last quarter. So I have not ever used this, so this will be interesting. I'm going to try it over here because I always have a little bit of trouble with my wrist right there. Some of you have commented that you like my Be the Light little pink bracelet, and I've never told y'all, but a lady at church gave this to me probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago. However long y'all been seeing me wear it, I've been wearing it ever since. She said, "You're a light," so she gave me a Be the Light little bracelet. Be positive, speak Jesus, speak the gospel, be convicted, be the light for others. So I said, yeah, I can do that. But anyway, that feels good. It does smell like lavender, so that's kind of nice. I'm going to see if that helps ease that little pain that I have in there. We'll see. Okay, the next free thing I got, which I guess I'm going to have 6 free things. Ooh, I can really use this. Oplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Now, if I can find the prices of these, I'll run them across there. But, oh, and I forgot to tell you, if you want to be a part of FabFitFun and their annual membership, it's now $249. But you can save $20, and I'll put the link down in my description. If you want to do it quarter to quarter, no commit, it's $79.99. All right, and you still might could get a discount. I don't know, but I don't know if the $20 will work on that. Okay, this repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair tops. It's probably sealed. Yeah, it is. I was wanting to see what it smelled like, but I'll wait. But I'll be anxious to try this out, see how it compares to my She I've been using. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out of here is now this was from the fall. This is a Find Comfort Hydrating Hand Cream from Rare Beauty. Now, I've seen a bunch of people get this. I didn't choose it, so all this is new. I didn't pick any of this. And this is the hand lotion. Oh, I was going to shake it up, but that's what it looks like. It's kind of a weird shape. Let me see how you get it off of here. Oh, I guess you just twist it, and then it opens it up, maybe. Looks like that. Smells interesting. I don't know if I like it. I'm not sure. It's kind of perfumey. I know hers is like supposed to be good for people with sensitive skin. But it does smell perfumey. It says a lightweight, fast absorbing hand cream infused with niacinamide, ashwagandha extract, and peach flower extract to hydrate, nourish, and soften with a fresh, non-greasy feel. That's weird, but to me it smells perfumey. And it could just be some of those root products that they have in there, or you know, essence oils. But anyway, that's what I got. I don't know. Okay, you let me know. Did you get that? Do you like the way it smells? It doesn't stink. It's just perfumey. The next thing I got was called For the Lovers, for the Dreamers, and for All the Right Reasons. Let me see what this is. This looks to be, a jewelry case. And I have one of these already. So this was very nice. I picked it as one of my choices. So this here will end up being in a giveaway because I already have one. So that's very nice. It's got a zipper pouch here. You've got this zipper pouch right here. You've got these places that you can put earrings. You can string, I think, your necklaces through here, or bracelets. And then, of course, you have another pouch here. And then it folds up really nice. And then you can, here's your necklaces over here. And then you can drop them down in there. You know, hang them up here and then let them hang. So very nice. All right, well, that's cool. I thought that package looked like a color I'd seen before. So this was a duplicate. Everything else has been different. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is this box. It seems to be wrapped up with tissue paper. It says Meso on there, or Miso. Now I'm not sure what it is, so let's open it up. Oh, was this quarter or last quarter? It's the candlestick holder. Isn't that pretty? You just put in 2 regular, I guess, like Roman style candles. Very nice. You know, I just got that creamer and pumpkin set, so this would look real pretty sitting in the room with that white or off-white because it's almost the same color. Wow, okay, that's cool. Very nice, very nice. And again, I don't know the value. I'll have to put it up there for you guys. Okay, my last item, that's 6, I guess, altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the last item that I have is this, and I don't know if that's new, if that's the way you say that. It's a Bargiani by Giorgio Bargiani. I think it's wine glasses. Let's see. Now, I do drink wine on occasion. Yep, I think so. Ooh, those are pretty cocktail glasses, or wine. What do you think? Or a vermouth martini? I've been known to make them a time or 2. I think they're both clear. Yeah, very, very pretty. Okay. Wow, and it just had like a little divider thing in there to keep them separated. I'll show you. See what I'm talking about? I wonder how, did I do something wrong? I don't know, but anyway. Now I'm worried that I might break them. I'll have to be careful. Yeah, now I'm worried about that. I might have to use this tissue paper in there. Alright guys, that's it. Well, I dug down in the bottom of that box and I thought we were done, but we're not. I have one more item to show. And you'll have to let me know if this is your favorite because I'm having to drop this in. But I got the Retinol Eye Cream, and this is by First Aid Beauty with squalene and ceramides, designed for sensitive skin. So I might be able to actually use this around my eyes. Let's take a look. This is the tube. It is a 15 ml, so it's 0.05 ounce, and I'm sure it's probably sealed. Maybe not, because of the way it's designed. Maybe this will help some of them lines through there. Is it a retinol cream? Yeah, it says it's a retinol cream. Okay, I'm going to add this in as one of my favorites. And I'm even going to put some above my lips. You young girls, if y'all haven't started taking care of your upper lip, do it. As you can see, I'm 65 and most of my wrinkles are right there. I mean, I have some that are coming on the jawline now, but I've had these lines for a while, as you can see. So be sure and take care of your upper lip, okay? And your eyes, because when you do, you can tell by looking at mine, they can be in great shape at 65. But I didn't pay enough attention, I guess, to my upper lip. So I now put creams on there too. And I should have done it a long time ago. But anyway, let's get on with this video. I had to drop this in. If this is your favorite, let me know. It feels really good on my eyes. And now we're dropping out of the video. Oh my goodness. All right, what do you think? I got the wine or alcoholic drinks, martini glasses. I got the Meso candlestick holder, which is very cool looking. It'll go good with my pumpkin shakers and my little creamer I just got. I got the Rare Beauty hand lotion, which I'm on the fence about how it smells. And I got this jewelry bag that you can carry your jewelry while on vacation and other places. I got the new Magnesium Ease, and I got the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Conditioner. What's my favorite? My favorite's going to be the conditioner and the candlestick holder. Yeah, that's my favorite. You let me know what your favorite is. That's all I have today. You'll be seeing the jewelry bag in a giveaway sometime. And possibly even this lotion. Yeah, probably this lotion you'll be seeing in a giveaway. I don't care for the smell of it. But that doesn't mean you wouldn't like it though. So that's it. That's all I have today for my little FabFitFun free haul. I want to thank FabFitFun for sending this over to me for free. That was nice. It's always fun to get free gifts. And pretty soon I'll have my 3 mystery bag video, and I've got another FabFitFun edit set part 2 to show you from the first big order that I ordered. And actually the mystery bags are part of that order. I'm just going to show it separately. So anyways, got lots coming up with FabFitFun and that edit box that's coming. And then I have a new bag to show you. The manufacturer sent it over to me, and I'm hoping to get that out. Maybe you'll already see it before you see this. So anyways, that's all I have today. Be sure and check my description. I have the battle with Carol Gardner going on, and the Temu holiday haul collab with Mary Catherine Loves Cats and several channel friends that are in that collaboration as well. And the giveaways run through like October 4th. So be sure and check those out. Leave me a blue heart emoji and or a red rose if you are participating in my Jubilee gifting that I do each week. And as for today and my free FabFitFun box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.